Hello and welcome guys. So in this video I'll be telling you how your money can make more money for you. So you would have heard people talking about passive income and making money when you sleep. So we are going to be talking about few of those methods. Okay, so what is passive income? Passive income is basically you won't have too much intervention or input to it, but still you'll be earning a regular amount of money, and even when you sleep you can make money. So let's go into it. Though there are some risks involved, there is different levels of risks. There is low risk and high risk. I will tell you all about it in this video. Make a fixed deposit account. I know it sounds too cliche to hear, but the new government rules has made the interest payout from your normal savings account almost nil nowadays. Fixed deposits can be done in short term or long term. I would suggest you go for the long term. At least 1 year and 1 month should be good, because if you have a long term FD, you'll be getting a higher interest rate, and also you can set it up in such a way that you get every month interest paid directly into your account. So basically you're getting a salary using your own money into your account every month. In case you feel that you might need the money later, you can even go for short-term FDs, but in that case you need to go for a larger amount. So which bank do I suggest? I suggest State Bank of India, as it's a government entity. It's one of the most trusted banks in India, and the interest rates are also much higher than the private banks. I know all the jokes about lunch break and the long queues at SBI, but trust me, the queues are longer in SBI for a reason. The interest rates are much higher, and nowadays they have a new app called YONO, using which you can sit inside your home and you can create and close your FD. So the next method is to get a credit card. Yes, you heard it right. If you're using a debit card for all your transactions, you're actually losing money and not making any type of profit from it. So the thing is, as you make payments in any place, you'll be accumulating points. And all these points, as they accumulate, can be exchanged for actual real cash or as products. And apart from this, there are so many other benefits of using a credit card rather than a debit card. I'll be talking about all those things in a separate video. So the next thing on the list is sovereign gold bonds. Yes, right. Previously, people used to buy actual gold and store it, and there are lots of problems associated with it. But nowadays, the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, is actually providing sovereign gold bonds, which can be bought with money. And as the gold price keeps on going up due to inflation, your bond also will be increasing in value. And when you finally decide to sell off the bonds and take a cash payment, you'll be getting the principal amount plus the profits. So the next thing on the list is starting a YouTube channel. So you would have seen so many people quitting their jobs and going to YouTube, but I won't suggest you quit your jobs. I would rather suggest you start making some videos and choose your niche, that is your topics, and keep on making quality videos, so you'll accumulate lots of subscribers, and eventually once you gain a stable source of income from YouTube, then you can think about quitting your job. So the next thing is cryptocurrency mining. This actually has lots of risks, as you have to invest a lot of money into it for the initial setup. Though many people do break even by 6 to 7 months and are making a large amount of profits. But the thing is, this is actually environmentally harmful because it uses a lot of electricity and also requires you to run the computer 24 hours, and it generates a lot of heat. If you like the video, please like, comment and share it to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll be making more elaborate videos on these topics discussed today. Thank you.